Here we are, craziest sons of bitches in Brooklyn. Going out on a mission. Go to 7-Eleven. Got my two compatriots with me. Gonna have to face the blizzard.
Whoa. Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh. What? Oh shit.
What?
This bus looks like it tipped. Come on, what are you doing? Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my goodness, this shit is man deep. Oh, it's already in my socks, bro.
Oh my god.
Go, we gotta see what's going on with this bus. Other people in the street, brave souls. We gotta, to the way. We're not gonna make it to the way. Gotta go behind her. The bus looks like it could have made some headway. My face is already frozen. Check out the tires. Check out the tires. This bus is completely effed. There's a problem. There's got to be at least 2 inches of snow on the ground. Here's Mima's car, safe and sound. What? Sparkling clean. Oh man, he's running the engine. He's not going to the damn place.
Come on.
What's this shaking back and forth? I don't know if you can hear the engine running. It moved a little bit.
Garbage truck just left in there.
Yeah, we had the garbage truck just left the guy. Headed for himself. Papa John, #1 in the hood, G. Maybe she doesn't get something from Papa John. What do you guys want to do?
I don't know.
Alright, signing off for now. Make another video.